Conde Gang, Hamanai.
Hey,
How are you?
I'm doing all right. Alhamdulillah.
Sorry, tonight is all about celebrating African music. Okay, celebrating the culture. Trace and Johnny Walker are here representing boldness. What would you say is bold in your career today, or has made you bold in your career today?
I mean, I'm just so happy to see trance music happening here and to see Johnny Walker here supporting. Because let me tell you this, right? The most important is to see the culture winning, right? 2 times trance happening in East Africa. The first was Rwanda, now it's Tanzania. Remember, there was South Africa, there's West Africa. Why is it East Africa again? I'm so proud and I'm glad to be part of the history. You understand? Like, this is like a 2 times in a row trance music would happen in East Africa. So I'm so glad, and that's explaining everything how I feel.